So this is a little tips for you who like to go on cruises. It may be super obvious for some of you, and you might have done this for a long time, but I know I cruise a lot, and I just figured this out, even though it's so obvious to do it. So here's my little tip. Now you know there's many of the cabins which does not have USB ports or electric outlets near your bed. So you have to put it on the desk, your phone on the desk or whatever devices you have, and charge it there. So I like to have my phone next to my bed when I go to bed, and I like to have it there in the morning so I can browse the program of the day through the ship's internet and so on. And I can't do that if it have to. Well, I can do that, but I have to get up and go to the desk and get my phone first. So what I have done before, I brought extension cords so I could plug it in at the desk and all the way to my bed. And that is not needed. What you do, you use your phone all day long like you want. When you come back to your room, you take this one. You take your charging bank here, your charging battery bank. And then you plug it into your phone when you go to bed. Oh, it's not that obviously. I need a USB-C cable for this phone here. And when you wake up in the morning, that one have charged your phone up to 100%. You can take your phone and browse or do whatever you want in the morning. You take this one here, bring it to the desk, and you plug it in. And it'll be charging during the day while you're out using the phone around on the ship. And again, when you come home at night, the bank is charged up, and you plug it into the phone and put it on your nightstand. Simple, right? I guess it wasn't simple enough for me. It took me like 10 years to figure that out. And this one here is actually 9 years old, and it's still running strong. I put a link to Amazon so you can find it there. And that's it. I hope it at least would help some of you guys. Happy cruising, and if you like the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.